To add photo in Canva resume, let's come over to templates here and find resume templates we want to work with. I'm going to click on CV here, and you have all these options of CV come up. We'll just go through them and find the one with an image we want to change. Let's open up this template. I'm going to click on it and it opens up like so. Let's click on customize this template. If you click here, you will see that this is where you're going to add in your own image. So what I usually do is to come over to upload to bring in my own image into this template. So if this is the image I want to do, I'll just pull it and drag it, and you see it has replaced that image in that place. So you're going to click on this if you want to beautify it further. I'm going to do a little bit of corner rounding to it, and if I click out, you see, and if you want to still add more beauty to it, you want to take out the background, I'm going to click here. You can remove the BG from here, but I think this color blends. If you want to edit this image further and position it properly inside the template, if I click on this crop sign here, and I have the option to move the image around, you see what is going on. I can move it around. I can actually choose where it's going to stay. Let's just move it a bit here and click on done. You see that the image has moved from where it was staying. So let's go back into the crop. You also can expand the image if you want the face to be very prominent, and if we click on done, you see we've added our image in this template. This is how to add an image in a Canva resume template.